Hey guys, Clint here, KC Custom Welding. I'm just changing out my shocks on my front, my Tomos here because it got in an accident, as you can see. So it was f***ed. So I'm just putting some new shocks on it, and I'm gonna see, yeah. I'm gonna rejet it up a notch or two and see how well it works. So yeah, there goes the dirty shocks. That's a dirty shock right there. She's a little twisted up.
Bending the chrome mudguard back into center position. Oh yeah, all nice and straight now. Sweet, looking sick.
So yeah, the carburetor was snapped on the top, the receiver for the cable abutment, so I ended up getting a new carb for it. Hopefully it'll be more reliable. But yeah, so this is what I ended up getting right here. A nice new little Mothra carb. It's just a replica of the original. It's still 14 mil. I'll have to jet it for my application, but it's not broken, so it'll be a lot easier to adjust my idle. And it also comes with a nice red air filter.
Checking the jet size. It didn't say, so I changed to 80 and will downsize from there.
Alright. Okay, so swapping my curbs.
Adjusting the cable so carb is closed and there's no slack.
Hey guys, so yeah, got new shocks on. I upped jet to an 80, so we'll see how that works. I don't think they messed with the jet size, and it's the original carb, being it got a big head and a muffler on it. We'll see how she holds up. There, so we're making peg extensions for the pegs to bolt to for the Tomos here. It's just gonna go on the end. It's gonna bolt to a plate. They're gonna weld on the end here. This is gonna weld onto the thing, and they're all gonna be one piece. So I'm gonna Loctite them in there, so once they're welded on, they're never coming off.
My drill has one speed, retardedly fast.
And I'm gonna have these little brackets mounted on here, as you can see, and then the pegs will get bolted onto these, and they should stick out far enough, so I got all kinds of, yeah, peg to stunt on, and yeah, hopefully do some insane wheelies. Yeah, not too bad. Basically, you want to have it sitting as flat as possible so that when it does flex and push, it's going to push on your block and not pull or flex at all on the bolt. So yeah, we'll sit it clamp here. Yeah, just welding the bolts now.
Okay, so I can't talk. I'm welding the nut directly to the plate.
Yeah, that's not coming out now. Yeah! Welded in there pretty good. Let that one cool up. And we'll do this one. So there's my peg on. I just welded around the L shape for now. The gas tank's creaking and I got it full of gas, so I'm a little sketched out, so I'm not gonna go too crazy with it.
Just a little sketchy with a full
Oh, I'm running. Look at the oil coming in. We're running a little rich too. So now I gotta, this side I'm gonna put it right below in between my chain. It's gonna be a little lower, but it'll hold the pencil.
Haha, I mean hold the pedal.
Anyway, it's a stunter. Yeah, we're gonna stunt her.
Oh yes, stunt time.
Stunter. Look at this. Yeah. So that's the pegs. One's a little higher than the other, but it's just where I could put them safely on the frame. And then this also holds my kickstart for now, so should be fun to ride.
Stay tuned for some wheelies. And more, go fast, upgrades. Thanks for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. Send it and save money.